Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we know the history and types, it's time to get our hands dirty and make some delicious dumplings from scratch. Let's get started. Essential ingredients and tools. Before you dive in, it's important to have the right ingredients and tools on hand. This sets the stage for dumplings that taste authentic and have the perfect texture. Here's a quick rundown of what you'll need. For the dough or wrappers, all-purpose flour, water, room temperature or slightly warm, cornstarch, optional for dusting, for the filling, protein, common choices are ground pork, chicken, shrimp, or tofu, vegetables like napa cabbage, chives, scallions, or mushrooms, aromatics, including garlic, ginger, and sesame oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, or hoisin for flavoring. Basic tools. A large mixing bowl for the dough and filling. Rolling pin. A smaller one is better for wrappers. Dumpling press or cutter, optional, but helpful for perfect shapes. Non-stick pan, steamer basket, or stock pot for cooking. Clean work surface to roll out and assemble the dumplings. Having these essentials makes prepping, wrapping, and cooking your dumplings a smooth process. Preparing the dough and wrapper. Making your own dumpling wrappers adds a fresh, chewy texture that's hard to replicate with store-bought options. It's also simpler than you might think. Here's how. Make the dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with about 3/4 cup of warm water in a mixing bowl. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Knead on a lightly floured surface for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Roll it out. Divide the dough into small, equal portions, about the size of a ping-pong ball. Flatten each piece with your hands, then use a rolling pin to roll it into a thin, circular wrapper, approximately 3 inches in diameter. Dust with cornstarch to prevent sticking. Using store-bought wrappers? No problem. Just keep them covered with a damp towel to prevent drying out while you assemble your dumplings. Making the filling. The filling is where you can get creative. Whether you prefer traditional pork and cabbage or vegetarian options, the key is balancing flavor and texture. Start with your base. Use protein or hearty vegetables for structure. For example, ground pork is a common choice because it's juicy and flavorful. Add moisture and umami. Incorporate ingredients like soy sauce, sesame oil, or finely diced ginger for layers of flavor. Grated carrots or napa cabbage can also add a refreshing, juicy bite. Ensure proper consistency. You don't want the filling too loose or it'll break through the wrapper. Mix well until the filling becomes slightly sticky. This helps it hold together while cooking. Test out your filling by frying a small spoonful in a pan. Adjust the seasoning, like salt or soy sauce, as needed before assembling your dumplings. Folding and shaping techniques. Folding dumplings can feel tricky at first, but it's surprisingly satisfying once you get the hang of it. Start with a simple method and work up to more decorative techniques. Here are 2 tried and true folds to consider. Crescent fold. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of the wrapper. Fold it in half to form a half-moon shape, then press the edges together to seal. Pleated fold. Start with the crescent fold, but instead of just pressing the edges, make small pleats along one side of the wrapper while pressing it into the other side. This creates a classic design often seen in dumpling shop windows. No matter the fold, it's critical to seal the dumpling completely. Lightly wet the edges of the wrapper with water before folding to ensure it sticks together. Cooking your dumplings. There are 3 main ways to cook dumplings, and each method offers a distinct result. Choose whichever suits your mood, or try all 3. Boiling. This is the easiest method and works well for soft, tender dumplings. Simply bring a pot of water to a boil, drop in the dumplings, and stir gently to prevent sticking. They'll be ready when they float to the surface, usually 5 to 7 minutes. Steaming. Steaming locks in flavors and gives the wrappers a chewy, delicate texture. Line your steamer basket with parchment paper or cabbage leaves to keep the dumplings from sticking. Steam for about 10 to 12 minutes until cooked through. Pan frying. If you love a crispy texture, pan frying is the way to go. Heat a bit of oil in a non-stick pan and arrange the dumplings in a single layer. Fry the bottoms until golden brown, then add a splash of water and cover to steam for 5 minutes. Remove the lid and let any remaining water cook off for a perfectly crisp finish. Each cooking style has its own charm, so experiment to find your favorite. Don't forget a good dipping sauce. Soy sauce with a splash of vinegar and chili oil is a classic pairing. With these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to making homemade dumplings that rival your favorite restaurants. Regional variations of Chinese dumplings. Chinese dumplings showcase incredible diversity, with the flavors and styles of these beloved treats reflecting the rich culinary traditions of different regions. From hearty and robust fillings in the north to delicate and refined varieties in the south, each area of China brings its own essence to the art of dumpling making. Here's a closer look at how dumplings vary across regions, offering something unique to every palate. Northern Chinese dumplings focus on hearty flavors and traditional wheat-based wrappers. In northern China, dumplings are a cornerstone of daily life. Known for their bold flavors and robust ingredients, northern dumplings are typically packed with hearty fillings such as pork, beef, or lamb, combined with earthy vegetables like leeks, napa cabbage, and chives. The climate of northern China, which favors wheat over rice cultivation, has led to the use of thick, wheat-based wrappers, giving these dumplings a satisfying chewiness. Boiled dumplings, or shujiao, are especially popular here, often served simply with a light dipping sauce of soy, vinegar, and chili oil. These comforting dishes aren't just food, they're tradition. Many families in regions like Beijing, Shandong, and Hebei still gather during Lunar New Year celebrations to hand-wrap hundreds of shujiao. Another staple in northern China is the pan-fried dumpling known as guoti, or pot stickers. These dumplings start with a golden, crispy base and finish with a steamed, tender top, creating the perfect bite. The northern preference for bold umami flavors comes through clearly, with fillings that often include garlic, ginger, and sesame oil. Southern Chinese dumplings, the lighter, more delicate dumplings of southern regions. In southern China, the dumpling experience is entirely different. Here, you'll find an emphasis on lighter, elegant creations that prioritize delicate textures and intricate techniques. Southern dumplings are often thinner-skinned, allowing the rich flavors of the filling to shine through. One of the most famous southern dumplings is hagao, a Cantonese shrimp dumpling. These translucent dumplings are wrapped in a paper-thin layer of tapioca or wheat starch dough and filled with chunks of fresh shrimp, sometimes with bamboo shoots for added crunch. Hagao is a dim sum favorite, particularly in Guangdong and Hong Kong, and is loved for its silky wrapper and succulent filling. Another southern specialty is the celebrated xiao long bao, or soup dumplings, which originate from the Jiangnan region, particularly Shanghai. These tender pockets of joy are filled not only with seasoned pork but also with rich, flavorful broth that bursts out with a warm, savory sensation when you take the first bite. Eating xiao long bao often involves a little finesse as diners carefully nibble on the dough to sip the hot soup before finishing the dumpling. Specialty dumplings from other regions. Beyond the north-south divide, China's other regions offer dumpling variations that are just as mesmerizing. These specialties often reflect local ingredients and flavor profiles, making them stand out from the more familiar dumpling types. Sichuan dumplings. Hongyu Jiaoshu. For fans of spice, Sichuan offers fiery dumpling varieties that live up to the province's reputation for bold heat. Served in a pool of red chili oil, these dumplings are filled with a mix of pork, garlic and ginger, then topped with Sichuan peppercorns. The result is a dish that's equal parts numbing and spicy, delivering a flavor punch in every bite. Shanxi crescent dumplings. In Shanxi, a region known for its love of noodles and innovative wheat-based dishes, dumplings take on a crescent shape that resembles the moon. These dumplings are usually boiled and served with a unique vinegar-based dipping sauce, which highlights the region's renowned aged vinegars. Their semi-firm texture pairs perfectly with the tangy condiment, making them a regional delight. Yunnan crossbridge dumplings. Yunnan province adds its own twist with dumplings inspired by the region's rich cultural blend of ethnic groups. These dumplings are often served as part of the famed crossing the bridge noodles, submerged in a hot, savory broth alongside a variety of fresh herbs, pieces of meat, and rice noodles. China's diversity shines brightly through its dumplings, with each region offering a taste of local ingredients, traditions, and creativity. Whether you prefer the comforting bite of northern Shujiao, the refined elegance of southern Hagao, or the bold spice of Sichuan dumplings, there's a dumpling for every taste and occasion. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.